Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our class. What we have learned in previous class, are you remembering it? I will explain. We learned the types of memory in the previous class. That means primary memory and secondary memory. And there are another memory known as cache memory is also there. We studied about memory. We studied what a bit is, nibble is, what is byte, like that we studied. Today we are going to take the class about software. Before software, we had to know what is hardware. Computer has mainly two components are there. They are hardware and software. So do you know what is a hardware? The parts of the computer which is seen by the user is known as hardware. We can touch the hardware. For example, we can touch our monitor, keyboard, mouse, hard disk. They all are known as hardware. And software is the part of the computer that we cannot see, but only with the presence of software we can perform particular operation in a computer. So by using software only a hardware work. So these are the main two parts of the computer. They are hardware and software. So hardware is the physical components of the computer system, while software is the programs or set of instructions. By using this set of instructions, a program will work and computer can give instructions. We cannot touch a software. So a software acts like a set of instructions and it produces the output too. So each software is used for some computational purpose. For example, Google Classroom, it is have its own purpose. Google Pay, its own another purpose. So these all are software. Our operating system, that means Windows or Linux, Macintosh, Android, all are operating system, which is a type of software. We can't touch that. But with this operating system only our computer works. So software is the set of instructions by using execution in a computer takes place. Each software have its own purpose. We are using Microsoft Word, video player, VLC player. There are many applications in your computer and mobile too. These all are software which is known as application software. So this why we need a software? That is our question. By using the software acts as an intermediate between user and hardware. That means it is the intermediate between user. User means our, we, and hardware means our computer. So by using software only, one person can communicate with the computer. Just you think a system, a computer which does not support operating system, then what happens? We cannot use that computer because without operating system a computer will not work. This operating system is an example for software. So software acts as an interface between human users and the hardware. Again, this software is classified into three types. They are system software, programming tools, and application software. So there are three types of software. They are system software, programming tools, and application software. What do you mean by system software? The software that provides basic functionality to operate the computer is known as system software. That means by using system software, we can operate the computer. Only system software knows how to operate and use different hardware components of a computer. So by using system software only, we can perform our operation. So it provides services directly to the end user. Examples of system software are our operating system, system utilities, device drivers, etc. So Software is classified into three types. First classification is system software. It provides the basic functionality of the computer. Example is operating system, device drivers, and system utilities. What is operating system? You all know what is an operating system. In your mobile, you are using Windows operating system, Android operating system, Macintosh, and in computer you are using Windows, Ubuntu, Linux. There are many operating systems. So what is the purpose of operating system? As the name implied, operating system operates the computer. So it is the basic of system software. By using operating system, a computer can be operated, and this operating system manage other application programs and provide security to the user. That means by using our operating system, either it is Android or it is Windows, no problem. It is our operating system. By using this operating system, other software, that means application software or application programs are handled. For example, when we are installing some program, our operating system give permission to the program. By using only, it will be installed in our mobile or computer. So operating system also provides security to the users. In computer and mobile there are lots of security mechanisms. You heard some end-to-end encryption mechanisms or firewalls like that. They are controlled by they are provided by the operating system. So operating system is an example for system software. As the name implies, by using operating system, a computer can be operated. Next is system utilities. Some system utilities, example for example antivirus, disk cleaner tool, disk compression software, etc., are not with the operating system. Are shift example disk fragmentation tool, formatting utility, system restore utility. So some utilities will be with the operating system to improve the performance or maintenance and configuration of the computer system. So software used for maintenance configuration is known as system utilities. Some utilities are shipped with the operating system. Example, disk defragmentation tool, system restore utility, etc. Another set of utilities such as antivirus software, disk cleaner tool, disk compression software, etc. are imported or shipped by the user or are installed by the user. These all are known as system utilities. So system utilities are needed for the not for the execution, for the security of our computer. So it is we if we use antivirus software, then security will increase. So by using system utilities, a computer performance can be improved. So software for maintenance and configuration is known as system utilities. By using system utilities, our performance will be improved. Some with operating system, some didn't, some not included in operating system. Next software is device driver. Device driver, you all heard device driver. Device driver means when we are installing or when we are connecting our device, some devices like keyboard, uh, our mobile or our headset, then automatically some software is installed in the computer, and in that computer it shows a message. So for a particular device driver software will be there. So device driver is with device. That means if you want to work a device with the computer, an external device, if we connecting an external device to the computer, we have to we have to import or we have to use or we have to install the device driver software. Some device driver softwares are automatically installed, or automatically when we are connecting the device, automatically the components are added to the computer. For example, if you are connecting a mobile to the computer, what happens? Its device driver is installed successfully. A message will be in the bottom corner of the computer in which it is specifying the device driver is installed. So the working of, if you want to work a particular device, that device's software, that device driver must be there. So some device driver is automatically installed and some we have to install. So for the overall working of new devices and components, device driver software is needed. By using device driver is communicate with the operating system. So our device, suppose it is a mobile phone, our mobile phone's device driver is installed in the computer, and this device driver will communicate with the operating system. So this is the next operating system, which is known as device driver. So we told what an operating system, in which first classification is system software. But in software, a first classification is system software. Second is application software. In system software, operating system, system utilities, and device drivers are there. In application software, some general purpose software are there. So by using system software only, our application software will works. So for different purpose, we are using different application software. For example, if we are typing, sometimes we will use Word, or if we are finding calculation, we are using Excel. Like that, we are using many application software according to our requirement. This application software is for particular application. For example, Word is used to type Word document. So the system software provides core functionality to the computer. It acts as an interface, but different users need different computer system and different applications. So a new category of software is needed. This is known as applications software. This application software is classified into two types. They are general purpose and customized application software. General purpose, as the name implies, it is used for general purpose, such as ready-made application software can be used by end-to-end user according to their requirements. For example, spreadsheet, Mozilla web browser, iTunes, Photoshop, Adobe Reader, Adobe Photoshop. These all are general purpose software. Anyone can use this software. So it has bigger audience because we are using Word document. Anyone use this same operating, same MS Word application. So which is known as general purpose software. Customized software means for particular purpose only. For example, for accounting, some softwares are used. This is used for accounting purpose only. These are known as customized software. General purpose software have bigger audience in general. So it is ready-made application already available and we can install in our computer like our MS Word or Excel or Adobe Reader, etc. Any computer can use it, that application software. Large volume of people are using application software, which is known as general purpose software. Next is customized software. We can discuss the customized software in the next class. So now we told about application software, which is used for some applications like Word, PowerPoint, or games, or browsers, etc. So in that, two classifications are there: general purpose and customized. This general purpose are used for large volumes of people, which we use for common purpose. So if I am typing a Word document, I can send it and you can also use it. So same document can be accessed easily by other users, which is known as general purpose software. So that are all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.